Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix notifications on the Reddit application if it is not appearing as it is supposed to. So let's get started right away. If you don't see any notifications within the Reddit app, then in order to fix this, first of all open up Reddit, and once the application is opened up, you can tap on your account icon at the top right corner to open up your account menu. Now from this page, scroll down and tap on Settings, and within the Settings page, underneath General, tap on Account Settings. Now underneath Account Settings page, you will find various different options, including Manage Notifications. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can select what kind of notifications you want to receive. You can simply toggle the options on for those that you don't want to receive, and leave it as it is for the notifications that you want. In case all of these settings are turned on but you don't see your notification settings anyway, then go ahead and tap on Go to Device Settings. Once you're in the Device Settings menu, you will find the Allow Notifications button for the Reddit option. Go ahead and enable it, and now you will see that various notifications and alerts will be enabled for the Reddit application, and the settings that you select from within the app will now work. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix notifications not appearing issues on the Reddit application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.